All right, glue your problem of the day on your journal. Pause the video to do that. Let's go through RDWW and start with R, read to understand. There are 4 tables in the class. We need 2 new glue sticks for each table. How many glue sticks do we need? This sounds a little tricky. I can't just look at the numbers here. I gotta actually think about what the problem is telling me and asking me. So, it's telling me there are 4 tables in the class. Maybe I want to work with that in my math drawing. We need 2 glue sticks at each table. Now it's asking me how many glue sticks we need. So, when I draw today, I got to think about how I want to show this. I could show it by drawing the tables and the glue stick at each table. Or I might think of some addition that I could do, showing it with math circles in 5 groups. You decide which math drawing is going to be the best for today. Then, write a number sentence that shows how you got your answer of how many glue sticks we need. Then write a statement answering this question. How many glue sticks do we need? I'm thinking of a good sentence starter. We need blank glue sticks. In your seesaw video, talk to us about how you solved this problem. If you used a math tool, tell us what you used. But don't just give the answer.